One. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve business page on Facebook. To know how to fix or how to solve business page on Facebook, you should just go to settings. After that, we can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list, you will search about Facebook and you can click. Then this page of app info, you will enter to force stop and you can click OK. Then you will enter to storage. Here you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your attention.